Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and if it is your first time here, welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be some life hacks that every girl needs to know. So when you're putting on your favorite fragrance and you want it to last all day, what you want to do is add some body oil first. Add some body oil on the spots that you're going to put your perfume, whether at your neck or on your arm, and then you put your perfume on top of it. That's going to let your perfume last all day. You know, when you put on your deodorant and then you're putting on your shirt after, and then you realize that your shirt has deodorant stains on it. I know. So for deodorant stains and makeup, like if you're putting on your shirt just the same and you get makeup on it, use baby wipes to remove it. Yes. If you're anything like me, you have a whole big bunch of keys, you're trying to get in your apartment like myself and you can't find the correct one, use your nail polish to mark your keys, to identify your keys. It's almost like a color code. So you know that probably like blue is for the top lock and yellow is for the bottom lock. So if you want to wear a pair of leggings but you have camel toe, what you can do is just put on a panty liner. When you put on your panty liner, try to bring it up to the front, and that is going to smooth things out. Bye bye camel toe. Who loves a glass of wine? Who loves iced coffee? You know when you're having your iced coffee or a glass of wine, and whenever you put your ice cubes in it, it just water it down, but you want your drink to stay cold. What you want to do is freeze some coffee cubes instead. So just pour some coffee in the ice tray, let it freeze, and whenever you're having your iced coffee, you use that instead of ice cubes, so you won't water down your iced coffee. As for the wine, what you want to do is freeze some. So when you freeze the grape, whenever you're having your glass of wine, you'll use your grapes as your ice cube, so that won't water down your wine. Whenever you blend your favorite smoothie or whatever it is that you blend, fastest way to clean your blender is a little dish soap and warm water. Cover it and blend. After you finish blending it, rinse it out, boom, you're done. Blender is clean. That is it for this video, guys. I hope these hacks were super helpful for you. I hope at some point in time you'll use at least one of them. Let me know in the comment which one were your favorite. With that being said, I'll see you guys in. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video and you won't miss these hack videos. Bye guys.